Because you are enrolled in a Medicare Advantage plan, there is a limit to how much you have to pay out of pocket each year for medical expenses that are covered by the plan. This limit is called the maximum out of pocket. The amounts you pay for co-payments and co-insurance for covered Part A and Part B services count toward this limit. The amounts you pay for your Part D late enrollment penalty, if you have to pay a penalty, and your Part D prescription drugs do not count towards your maximum out-of-pocket amount. In addition, amounts you pay for some services do not count towards your maximum out-of-pocket amount. These are noted in Chapter 4 of your Evidence of Coverage. If you reach the maximum out-of-pocket amount, you will not have to pay any more out-of-pocket cost for your Part A and Part B services the rest of the year. However, you must continue to pay your applicable Part D cost sharing, your Part D late enrollment penalty if you have to pay a penalty, and the Medicare Part B premium, unless your Part B premium is paid for you by Medicaid or another third party.